Ah, fidget spinners. Don't you guys just love remembering about them and how much joy they caused in early 2017? Well, I don't. Death. Death to them all. Must destroy. Death. Death. Oh god, it's freezing everywhere. Jesus. Yeah, how is it not dead? I'm gonna find you. I need more weapons. Death. Die, you evil son of Satan. This isn't doing much. I need better weapons. More! Okay, alright, I'm gonna take this evil piece of equipment down with me. Little known fact, peanut butter is a fidget spinner's natural enemy. He's avoiding it. He's good, but I am better. Yeah, that's right. There we go. Scoop up some more. There we go. And knives. Knives are also enemies. I need more. More. Okay, alright. I'm taking them down. Peanut butter wasn't enough. Soda wasn't enough. Even literal bullets weren't enough. And a knife. A freaking knife. He must be a witch. He must be. He must be a witch. We gotta do what they did in the old-fashioned days. Everybody was smart in the old-fashioned days. You can quote me on that one. It's true. Oh, dang it. He's strong. But since he is a witch, we must burn him. We must burn the witch. This was a smart idea. I have nothing but good feelings about this. Oh, God. Oh, God. Knife. Oh, God. Knife. Jesus. Oh, yeah, don't try this at home, maybe? I don't know. Oh, God. You cannot live through this. This is impossible to live through. Physically impossible. But even if he did, we must drown him. We are gonna... Oh, Jesus. We are gonna kill fidget spinners today, men. Onward for victory. There we are. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Death. Death to you all. Yeah, there we go. No one will know. Okay. He must be dead now. Okay. Okay. Okay, men. We have learned a lot today. So he must be dead. He must be... Oh, good God, he's still alive. He is still alive. I doubt he can be spun, but he's still alive. Rocco, what do you think? Is he still alive? Is he? Is he? Is he, boy? According to our expert on fidget spinners, my dog Rocco, this little still alive. More studies will be needed. We must eliminate the threat. Kill all your fidget spinners. Don't try that at home. That was dangerous. But kill them all.